Hello students, in this video we will discuss about tunneling to care of address. Before this we have discussed about discovery, the node discovery, and also we have discussed about the registration. So node registrations, how it is done when it is going into the foreign network. And now we will discuss about tunneling. These are three important topics, out of which one or two may be asked in the examination. Actually, the tunneling takes place in forwarding the IP datagram from one home agent to its care of address. We know how we have achieved a care of address, or how we can get a care of address, and where the care of address is stored. We know that care of address is stored in the home agent, which is assigned by the foreign agent. Sorry. So now we will see when a corresponding node sends a data packet, how it will be executed, or how it will be sent to the mobile node. Now when the corresponding node sends a data packet, the home agent, here you can see the home agent, let me just make it home agent here, you can see this home agent. This receives a packet addressed to the mobile host. Maybe our mobile node also, you can take it as a mobile node also. And as the care of address is stored in the home agent, for the packet what is sent by the corresponding node, it will add the care of address, so that you can call it as a IP within IP. So how it is done, we will see it in the next slide. Here I will tell you how it is done. With this particular, this is one packet information we are having, IP within IP. How it is done we will discuss. So for a time being, you just discuss about this home agent. Home agent is encapsulating the care of address with the existing IP address sent by the corresponding node to the mobile host. Now our IP packet packet is connected with the care of address using this IP within IP, that is the source of the corresponding node, and destination now will be a care of address. That is what is mentioned here, using IP within IP. Yes, the home agent adds a new header, that is what it is, we will discuss in the next slide, in front of the IP address of any datagram. Datagram means the data in the packet, you can call it as a datagram. Now previously what happens, when the packet is sent from the corresponding node, it will have a source address as a IP address of the corresponding node, and destination address will be the address of the mobile node assigned by the home agent. Means the home agent will be the destination address, from there it will be directed to the mobile node address. Now the destination address is changed. Source address will remain the corresponding node address only, but the destination address will be set by the care of address. So how it is done we will discuss in the next slide. And the source address now will be changed to home address, home agent address of that particular packet. After stripping out the first header, the IP processes the packet again. Now how it will be done we will discuss now. So here you see, first when the packet is sent by the corresponding node, it will look like this. So this is when the IP address, say only concentrate on this part, I have highlighted with the different colors. Okay, here you see the source address, which will be a corresponding node address, and the original address. Original address will be the address of the mobile node. Okay, and the destination address will be the address of the home agent, correct, and then its home address. All these things will be connected. Now what happens when that particular packet is received at the home agent? It will add some more contents here. What it will address, what it will add, it will add here new address. So here here you see, now original address is converted to address of the home agent. Now this become a source. This become a source. Here you see, this is when the encapsulated, when it is encapsulated and sent to the corresponding node. So here source address it will have, okay, then from source address it is linked to the address of the home agent, correct. Now destination address will be changed to care of address. Okay, I will repeat it again. I will repeat the things again so that it should not confuse you. First, what happens when the datagram is sent by the corresponding node? This will be a datagram or a packet. Okay, and its source address will be the original address from where it is started, correct, and its destination address will be the home address, means the address of the mobile node which is assigned by the home agent of that particular network. As it is in the different network, now the home agent, what it is doing is, home agent, so here I have taken this diagram because see this particular diagram is not there in this paneling. For your reference I have kept it. So when it reaches to home agent, okay, what happens is the lower part, what you see, that will be the source address, which is the original address from where it is sent. Destination address, it is a home address, that is the address of the mobile network, mobile node, that it will be encapsulated and it is sent. But as soon as it reaches to the home agent, and when it finds that the mobile node is not present in the home address, it will look for care of address. Now what it will do is, it will change the source address to the home agent address, as we have discussed in the previous slide, and destination address it will change it to care of address, so that it can reach to the, or it can send the packet to the destination. This is how it is done. This is how the tunneling process is done. Okay, now here you can see in this diagram, when it is acknowledging, it will send it back to the mobile. So this is what we can call it as a tunneling process. I hope you understood how the tunneling is done. I have tried to explain it using this line, and also I have tried to explain it with the packet diagram, what it is used for tunneling. See, this process is there, no? Joining this extra header here, this header is called as an encapsulation. This is called as what? Encapsulation. And thank you for watching this.